Okay, now moving on exam 2, number 3, page 5. We're going to use a graph f of x and table g of x to compute the derivatives of the following functions at the specified points. So show our work to justify your answers. So starting off with A, we're going to go ahead and derive it. So we have 1/3 d over dx f of x. Then we have 3 g of x to the 2 times g prime of x. And then we have 6x squared. So now we're going to go ahead and apply our x equals 2. That's an f prime of 2 minus 3 g of 2 to the 2, g prime of 2 plus 6 to the 2. So 1/3 to the f prime of 2. That is going to be, we're going to look at 2, find our point like around there. So then I go 1, 2, 3, 1 till there's a point. And then 3 over 1 is 3. So our slope was 3 for that. Because this is f of x, not f prime of t. So we look at slope. And then we have 3 g of 2, which is 2 squared times g prime of 2, which is negative 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. So then we have 1 for that, because 3 over 3 is 1. And then that times 3 plus 24. We have 1 minus 3 times 4 times 3. So negative 12 times negative 36 is positive 36 plus 24. So we're going to get 25 plus 36, 25 plus 36, which is, let's go ahead and do the math, 11, 361. So 61 is our answer for that one. And then moving on to B, we're going to go ahead and solve. So for this one, we're going to do our quotient rule, which is low d high minus high d low over low low. So we're going to do low, which is f of x, derivative of high, which is 2, minus high, so 2x plus 2, times derivative of low, which we don't know, which is our function, or f prime of x, all over low low. So f of x squared. So then we can go ahead and apply our function, or our x, sorry, 2, 8 plus 2 f prime of 8, f of 8 squared. So f of 8 is, as you can tell, it's like right there, which is 5. And then 2 times 8 is 16, plus 2, 18. Now we look at f prime of 8, and in this case, this is f of x. We're going to look at the slope. 1, 1, 2, 3. And we know it's negative because it's coming from over there. Oh, that was horrible. It's coming from over here or over there. So it's going to be negative 1/3 all over. We know f of 8 was 5, so it's going to be 5 squared. 10 minus 18 times 1/3 all over 25. So 10 is going to be positive. So 18 divided by 3 is 6 all over 25. So we're going to get 16 over 25. And then now moving on to our next one, G of F, or C, we have, so we're going to start off by writing our function because we're going to have, let me write this out because we do have to take the derivative. So G prime of f of x times f of prime of x. Because you have a function inside a function, and that's when we have to do the chain rule. Because that's what we did for A. So now we can go ahead, apply our x. F prime and negative 1. So that is going to give us, this is regular f, so negative 1, it's negative 2. And f prime of negative 1, we're going to look at the slope. 1, 2, 1. So negative 2 over 1 is negative 2. That's our slope. So now we determine this, G prime of negative 2. So we look for negative 2, and G prime of negative 2 is 2. So we have 2 times negative 2. And that gives us negative 4. And that's our answer. Thank you.